Hello. Yesterday I talked about number one relationship killer, which was jealousy, and gave you the antidotes to it. And today I'm going to talk about criticism. Criticism is number two relationship killer. Well, you might know, like, you never have time for me, or you always come back home so late. Why do you never put the dishes away after dinner? Why do you never clean after you? I always have to clean after you. You might know such sentences, or you're the one criticizing. If you are the one criticizing, it is your responsibility to change that. You cannot go on criticizing all the time. Why do you do that? I don't know, maybe you do that because you're disappointed, right? You're hurt and you're disappointed in your partner most of all. But instead of criticizing, there's really many better ways to engage in a relationship, and you can talk about your emotions. That's the antidote. Talk emotions. Tell your partner how you feel. Tell your partner that you're disappointed instead of criticizing him. There will be a different reaction from your partner for sure. For example, instead of saying, "Why do you always come back so late? You always work late. That's so terrible." Instead of saying that, you could say, "Remember the other day when you came back super early from work? I loved that. And remember, we had such a nice day. I wish we could have such a day again and such a nice evening together." Right? So instead of criticizing and attacking your partner, you just talk your emotions. You talk about how you feel and what you wish your partner to do. So instead of giving a criticism, you give a desire. And that's so different. Your partner cannot react defending himself. Because imagine you attacking him with a criticism. So what's your partner gonna do? He's gonna defend himself. He's gonna go one step back. There's no distance between you. So he's probably not gonna come back from work earlier anyways. Maybe he's even gonna work later tonight, right? So instead of giving him that and attacking him, you just talk your emotions. You talk about how you feel. So your partner cannot feel attacked and be in a defensive mode. He might probably say, "Yeah, you're right. Let's do that evening again." And he might even finish work earlier, right? So try to always use I statements. Talk about yourself. Instead of saying, "You always work late," say, "I wish you could come back home tonight early so we can have a fun night." Right? So that's totally different. Try to do that more often. Instead of criticizing, talk about your emotions. I hope that was helpful. And if you want to hear about the other three important relationship killers, follow me. And in the next day, I will give you the other ones as well. Bye bye.